Whoa. What is it? Came all the way from London, England. Are these books for you?
Let's see.
I think so.
Maybe. What is it?
Fire.
Cleaned already.
My book.
It is your book.
My book. Maya.
Gonna look at it? Take a look at it.
Maya.
Mason, can you say thank you, Amy?
Thank you, Mimi.
Good job.
Thank you, baby.
Can you say Merry Christmas, Amy?
Great, baby.
All right.